Hello and welcome to Enviroscape. Enviroscape is a one-stop resource to select and access U.S. EPA environmental data. Enviroscape provides you access to several EPA datasets to provide you information about environmental activities that may affect air, water, and land anywhere in the U.S. With Enviroscape, you can learn more about these environmental activities by using your real-time location, or you can search by state or by system ID to display information related to all of these facilities by your vicinity. To begin using Enviroscape, let's just click on the Enviroscape icon on your iPhone or iPod. Presently, this application will be available on iPhone or iPod, but our team is working on building a similar application for iPad as well. So that should be available very soon too. So let's just click on Enviroscape. This should open up the application. Here you'll see the two selection criteria. One is water and radiation. This is the main screen of the application. There is a small info button here which can give you information about the application. Right now we are just showing displaying information about water and radiation, but as I said, we will be having information more about other environmental activities such as air, land, and other activities too. So if you click on the info button, it should show information about the application, what the application is about, and all those things. You can read about it. Let's just click done. Now if you click on water, you will see water has two information. It displays two information. One is about permit compliance system, and it gives information about safe drinking information system. So now safe drinking water information system is about how the water is in your area. You can search it by state or by your zip code or by your location. Permit compliance system is something which provides information about the water facility, that how much wastewater it can discharge in your local rivers or streams or tributaries in your area. So you can just go to SDWIS. Let's go to SDWIS. Here you will have three search criteria, which is select state. You can select by you can enter PWS ID if you know, or you can use your location to find the facility in your area. So let's just select by state. We'll select. Let's select for Delaware. Now let's select for DC. Okay, when you hit submit button, it should display information about all the water facilities, like DC water facilities. When you click any of these facilities, it should give you detailed information about these facilities. Now these are the data sets gathered from EPA's. These are the EPA provided data sets that have been displayed here to you in a hierarchical format. So you can browse information such as what is the water system status, it's active, what is the primary source for the water system, what is the population served. It serves larger 100,000 population. So if you go back, you can there's a small definitions button here which gives you information about each of these fields, like what they mean and what exactly what exactly they mean. So let's just hit done button. Let's go back. So now we can go back to let's search for radiations. Now in radiation you have RAD information database. Now here you can again select by state, by radiation system ID, or by your location. Let's select by state. Let's select something for California. Let's hit submit, and then here it displays the facilities for the entire state of California. So let's just pick one of them. Again, same thing. It gives information about the facilities, like its name and RAD info ID, facility registered ID, and and there's a small details button here. If you click on that button, it takes you to the website and it gives you more detailed report about the whole facility. like its violations or any compliances issues or anything like that. So you can search all this information up here. You can expand this with the pinch of your finger, or you can, yes, it doesn't work. So you can just go back. Now there is a definitions for this RAD info facility as well, that you can look for the field name and understand what they are. Now this application is also compatible with accessibility. I mean, accessibility features have been turned on this application. I mean, we have configured or programmed this application for visually impaired population as well, so that if there's people, if they want to access this information, they can do as well. They can do that as well. So to do that, let's go to the home button. All we have to do is turn on those features on your iPhone or iPod. Let's just go to settings, and then let's go to generals, and then let's go to accessibility, and then let's go to voice over. Let's just turn it on. This should
settings, voice over, accessibility, back button.
This should turn on your voice over feature, so as soon as you tap on any of this area, it should give information about what it is on the screen. Now let's just hit the home button.
Home. Mail. App switcher. App switcher. Settings.
Now let's go back to the application. Now if you see, all the accessibility features are turned on right now. So if you click the button, it's just going to say info button. If you double tap the same button, it's going to give you information about the Enviroscape. Now you can just click.
Point of access to select queue. Welcome to Enviroscape. A single environmental data. Point of access to select queue. S. EPA. Environmental data. Enviroscape is an.
So this provides information about all these things. So just click done. If you double tap it, it should go away. It does. Now you can go to radiations. It should read that.
Radiation. Enviroscape. Back button.
Go to RAD info.
Radiation. RAD info. The radiation info. RAD info.
So again, you can select state.
Select state. RAD California. RAD info.
Submit it.
Button. RAD info results. Heading.
Just selecting the facility.
RAD info facility. 110012516. Facility registry ID. Heading. RAD info ID. Heading. RAD 2000. Facility registry ID. Heading. 1100125167559. Details. Button. 1100125167559. RAD info facility. Recent additions. Link. Recent additions. RAD info facility.
So you can when you turn on this accessibility feature, you can use the application in accessibility mode. Since we have configured this application to be used in that mode, this can be used by visually impaired people as well, visually impaired population as well. So that's all about it. I hope you like our application, and you can also we have created a Facebook page for this application. You can go to this page. If you have any suggestions or comments, feel free to post it there, and we will definitely look into those suggestions and comments and try to incorporate them in our application. For now, this application is going to be available on iOS, but we are also working on Android version of this application. So again, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching this short video.